This is a quick video on how to install a coil in the Molecule22. For this video you will need a mod, a clean Molecule22 deck, the parts pack that was included or coil pack, the alumina ceramic coil housing, the included screwdriver or a T5 driver, as well as a pair of wire cutters. You can also use fingernail clippers or toenail clippers, but we don't recommend that. We do recommend getting a pair of ultra flush wire cutters such as these. This pair is made by Lindstrom, and this is definitely my favorite pair of wire cutters. This model is 8142, so if you look up Lindstrom 8142 on Amazon, they are expensive, but they are the last pair of wire cutters you will ever need for your coil building needs. So we'll go ahead and let's jump right in. So the first thing you do is insert the coil into the ceramic housing by putting the legs into the little leg holes at the bottom. Once you get them in, you can kind of just push it down in and then kind of gently pull each leg to pull the coil down into place. And there we go. Now we'll go ahead and cut the legs to be about 3 millimeters in length. Now make sure when you cut the legs that you cut away from your face so that the legs don't eject and hit you in the eye, and make sure that you're not pointing it at anyone else. And then what you do is you insert the coil legs into the post holes. You can do this just kind of rocking it down as you press it into place. And while holding it down with your finger or something stuffed inside there, you can tighten the post screws. Now you want to make sure not to over tighten these, so you want to get them just hand tight and then stop there. So we'll go ahead and do the same thing on this side. Remembering that we want to get it tight, but not over tight, so do not exceed hand tight. As soon as it gets nice and snug, maybe just put a tiny bit more pressure on it and call it good. And that should give you a very nice tight connection. So that's how you install a coil in the Molecule22. In the next video we'll cover how to dry burn the coil and prepare it for use in wattage or temperature control.